Wish you were here. On the ocean, golden skies are fading slow. Everyone is laughing in the moment, but there's a silence in my soul. I hear your voice inside the music, like an echo in the air. Every smile feels incomplete tonight, 'cause you're not standing there. And I keep turning like the tide against the shore, every heartbeat whisper, you're the one I'm searching for. I wish you were here, under these neon skies, dancing in the starlight, reflected in your eyes. I wish you were here, holding my hand tonight. Every dream feels empty without you by my side. Oh, I feel you near in every song I hear, but the night reminds me I wish you were here. The waves keep rolling to the shoreline, like memories in my mind. Every place we used to laugh together feels different now in time. They say the world keeps moving forward, but my heart still stays with you. Every beautiful moment that I live feels like it's missing something true. And the music's rising, but my heart falls in between. Every light around me feels like shadows of a dream. I wish you were here, under these neon skies, dancing in the starlight, reflected in your eyes. I wish you were here, I can't escape. If love could cross the distance of forever, you'd still be here with me. So I raise my hands into the starlight, hoping somehow you can see every dream I'm chasing in this lifetime still belongs to you and me. I wish you were here under these neon skies, dancing in the starlight, reflected in your eyes. I wish you were here, holding my hand tonight. Every dream feels brighter when you are by my side. Oh, I feel you near in every song I hear, through the tears and the